Hey there, Whovians. Um, Before we dive into the latest Doctor Who mysteries, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Have you ever wondered if Mrs. and Madison is the uh, Flood knows more than she lets on? As the 15th season of Doctor Who unfolds, uh, her enigmatic presence raises intriguing questions. In the season opener, the robot revolution and the thrilling Lux, the Doctor and Belinda embark on wild adventures. Um, Yet, Mrs. Flood's subtle hints at the show's end can't be ignored. Anita Dobson's character has a knack for breaking the fourth wall, speaking directly to us. Uh, uh, in Lux, she hints at the series' potential conclusion on May 24th. Could she be foreshadowing the end of Doctor Who? Um, Mrs. Flood's insights suggest she's aware of the Doctor's regeneration, but her comments feel like more than just a hint. Russell T Davies has hinted at her significant role. So her words carry weight. Rumors of Doctor Who's cancellation have swirled, but is a permanent end for the Doctor really in store? The show has a history of leaving doors open, and a spin-off suggests the universe will live on, taking some kind of, despite Mrs. A Safe Factory said, Flood's ominous prediction, I think it's hard to believe that Doctor Who will end permanently. Um, and and the show's dedicated fan base ensures its legacy will continue. And even if there's a break before season 16, and in the end, Mrs. Flood's remarks might just be a clever nod to the show's uncertain future. But in my real recommendations of that now, and as we wait for more answers, let's enjoy the ride. After all, time is a wibbly wobbly, you know, timey wimey thing. And with that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, I hope you enjoyed us.